The U.S. Supreme Court declining to hear two specific cases on laws banning pro-life speech outside of abortion centers. This trend is continuing with the court now. I'm going to break it down, guys. Before I get into it, though, I got to get this out of the way because people always ask me, why do you wear these ridiculous sunglasses? I wear them because I am blind, my friends. I do not have sight privilege like all of you fine people. Now, please give the video here a like, share it across all of your platforms. Subscribe here if you are new. Click the bell to enable notifications. Hopefully you'll get a few, but YouTube doesn't send out many anymore as they monitor my content very closely. Let's just say that. But guys, where you can really help me out is over on Patreon, where you can sign up for as little as just $5 a month at patreon.com/conservativetruth. Link can be found down below in the description. Just takes a couple of minutes to sign up. Not only does it help me out, you guys throw a couple bucks my way, especially with YouTube demonetizing the majority of these videos, but you also get my exclusive bonus content where I talk a lot more about sensitive information. And unlike YouTube, you will always get alerts and notifications for anything that goes out on the Patreon platform. So thank you to everybody who's already signed up. For those of you who are thinking about signing up, you guys are awesome. Now let's talk about this situation here. Supreme Court today declining to hear two cases. They didn't want to hear it. They didn't even want to hear it. They just said, nah, not interested in this. Now, the two cases in particular that we're talking about here are one in Chicago, Illinois, and another one in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. The one in Chicago, this has been in place now since 2009, an ordinance by the city. You know, they make these bubble zones because they don't want pro-life people congregating around talking, trying to, convince these women not to go in to these abortion clinics and have the procedure done. Well, what this basically said was that anybody who's a pro-life advocate, they are not allowed to come within 8 feet of a pregnant woman who is then within 50 feet of one of these abortion clinics and then try to talk them out of having the procedure done. Now, it was said that Justice Clarence Thomas would have wanted to hear the case, but the other justices ruled no. So that's been going on now since 2009, and I think that's absolutely ridiculous. There is no reason they should be making these bubble zones, preventing people from being able to talk to this woman, because it's been proven that a lot of times they will change their mind and they will have second thoughts and then they will leave and they will never come back to those horrible places again. Now, the other one in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, this one was set up back in 2014, another bubble zone, but this would prevent any sort of, peaceful pro-life, speech, anything basically 20 feet away from an abortion center. They would not be allowed to picket around there, to congregate. So they want these people completely pushed off. And by the way, that was also pushed for by Planned Parenthood to get an ordinance like that put in place there. So these laws will, unfortunately, these ordinances will remain intact for the time being. And it's just sad to see this because, Trump had put in two, conservative justices, we thought at least. And thus far, when it comes to cases dealing with abortion, the rulings have done anything but favor the pro-life side of things, the conservative side. So disappointing, but we're going to keep fighting anyway because we have to. We have no other choice, and we're going to see how this all shakes out. We also just have to remember to keep praying as well. I'll put some more information on this, guys, down below in the description section. Let me know what you think about this down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'll be back with more. You guys take care. Please be safe out there. God bless each and every single one of you, and I'll talk with you soon.